Once you are familiar with the basics of how to find library resources using our OneSearch tool, you may find yourself wishing there was a way to filter down your results to those that are most relevant. This video was created to show you how to use the OneSearch filters that can be found on the left-hand side of your search results page to refine your results. From our home page at sdmesa.edu/library, I'm going to scroll down until I see the OneSearch box. Today, my search is going to be for concussions and football. As you can see, I get 132,212 results. There are many ways that I can refine these results to narrow my pool by using the filters on the left-hand side. My first filter is how my results are sorted. They are currently being sorted by relevance, but there are other options I can choose if I'm interested in narrowing down my current number of results. If I would like to begin narrowing my results to a smaller number, one thing I can use is the availability filter. For example, if I was looking for scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, I could check the scholarly/peer-reviewed box. Then click the green Apply Filters box, and I would be down to 8,169 results. If I wanted to go back to my original results, I would click the X next to the scholarly peer-reviewed link at the top of the filters column. And I'm back to my original results. Sometimes we want only the newest articles. Instead of going to the Sort By tab and clicking the Date Newest, it is often more effective to go down to the Publication Date filter and change it to a certain period of time. Here I am changing it to the last 5 years of publication. Then I must click on the Refine link. You will see that not only have my results gone down from 132,212 results to 42,989, but those results are still being sorted by relevance because I did not change that filter. One of the most useful filters for narrowing a topic is the subject filter. When I click on it, I will see that my results have been sorted by major subjects that are being covered. So perhaps I'm actually only interested in college football. I can click that box, and perhaps I am also interested in traumatic brain injury. I can click that box too. I can click as many or as few as I am interested in. Then click Apply Filters, and I am down from over 132,000 results to a bit over 5,000 results, filtered by year and by 2 subject headings. If you are interested in a specific resource type like newspaper articles, you can filter there as well. By doing that, I am now down to around 4,000 results that are only found in newspapers that we subscribe to. Lastly, there is one trick to remember. If at this point I wanted to add the word salaries to my search box above, the system would clear out all of my filters and give me a brand new search with over 6,000 results. Notice that we are no longer looking at the publication dates, resource type, and subject headings we were using before. If I would have liked to have kept those previously used filters and add the word salaries to the search box, I would need to click on the Remember All Filters link. Then when I put the word salaries into the search box and click Search, my filters will remain and I will only get 197 results that are being filtered by my ongoing choices. And that's how to refine your OneSearch results using filters. Please feel free to contact your librarians if you have any additional questions or concerns. We're always here to help.